crafty friends, it's Shana from ShanoukiArt, and I have a question for you. First, let me give you some context. In August of this year, I'm going to create a small series called Art Journal August, where we're going to work on small-scale art journaling and mixed media. When I say small scale, I mean it is going to be a small art journal so it doesn't feel overwhelming or intimidating, especially those who are just starting out in art journaling. The series will involve about 10 to 12 videos throughout the month of August, so about one every 2 or 3 days, and it'll be a craft along with me. So you'll be able to follow along with me and create what I'm creating if you like, or you can just use it as inspiration. The idea behind this is to help you to let go of any fears that you have of art journaling or mixed media and just letting go and experimenting. All the videos for the series will be here on YouTube for free for you to watch at any time and to do them at your own pace. Like I always say in nearly all my videos is use what you have. You can do the series along with me with your own art journal on a piece of paper with anything that you have in your craft room. The question that I had though is, I was thinking for this series to create a small art journaling kit that would go along with it. And some of the items that would be in the kit would be the same that I would be using in the videos. Now, again, let me just clarify that you don't need the kit to be able to craft along with me. This is just an extra. And I wanted just to get an expression of interest to see if anybody was interested in getting the kit so I know if I should start purchasing and creating. So let me show you what is in the kit so you can get an idea, and then if you could just in the comments below let me know yes or no to the kit. Now just also to be sure that if you do say yes, there is no obligation for you to purchase the kit if and when it goes live. This is solely just for me to know if I should go ahead and start creating anything. If there is no interest, that's perfectly fine. We'll just carry on all in our own art journals. If there is an interest, I will get these ready for about June to be able to send them out to be ready for the August launch of Art Journal August. Let me flip the camera over and show you what is in the kit. So here are 4 kits that I've created just as a tester. Let me show you what I have inside. First, we're going to have the actual art journal we're going to work in. I've made it rather small. It is roughly 4 inches by 4 inches. I've made it small on purpose so that it's not intimidating. I find, especially when people are starting out in art journaling, big pages can be very scary to start. So I've kept it small. I've got a fabric tie that closes it because it's going to get quite chunky, so we need some space to be able to close it. And then what I've done is I've made it sort of double-sided. So it's like a zigzag. We have a signature in the front and then a signature in the back. I've also added a machine stitched pocket that is in the front cover and the back cover of the front signature. We're going to create some goodies that are going to go into these pockets. And then all the papers are from the same black and white series. So every book will be similar, but not exactly the same. For example, not every journal that we open is going to have this page first. It's going to be a different one, but it's all from the black and white series. The reason I chose black and white is because it creates wonderful contrast and it'll have great shine through when we do our mixed media. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. There are some white pages too, but it is more of a black and white contrast. So that'll be the journal, and the idea is that we will work together on the first lot of pages in the front, and then the back lot of pages is for you to carry on experimenting and doing your own art journaling. So that is the journal, and I will be working in one of these during the series. I will then also include a stencil. There are different designs for the stencil, so you'll get a different one, but it is a stencil, and when we do the stenciling, it will work the same. We're then also going to have a pack of scraps. I have 15 pieces of different kind of cardstock and scraps. This is what I use when I do my collaging, so I've included that in the kit. We're going to also have a napkin, and I'm going to use the same napkin in every kit, and it'll be the same napkin that I'll be using, so we all get the same effect. There'll be a sheet of sentiments. These are the stickers like I use. There's going to be either white text on black or black text on white. There's also going to be a book page, which we'll use for our collaging, a music sheet, a pack of die cuts. There's 10 die cuts in here, again in the black and white theme, different shapes and sizes that we're going to use for focal points and various other items. A piece of fabric which we're going to use, and then I've also included some masking tape. I've just put it around a playing card just for ease of transport, but we're going to take it off here and use it in our art journaling, and we might even do something with the card. So these are the items that I will be using during Art Journal August. Each kit will be priced at 70 Australian dollars, which includes postage. So whether you're in the US or the UK or Australia, there's no additional postage charges. Now, to be able to see what it is in your currency, you can just Google and convert 70 Australian dollars to your currency. I know that at the current exchange rate, that is roughly 46 US dollars, but I don't know all the different currencies. I really do hope you will join me for Art Journal August when the time comes and create along with me so we can have some fun. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. Please comment below with your thoughts, and I will see you again soon. Bye.